Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for insightful and practical content that aids personal and professional growth. Here, we empower you with knowledge and strategies to navigate life's challenges with confidence and finesse. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's integral to our everyday lives, yet often overlooked: decision-making. We're not just talking about deciding what to have for breakfast or which movie to watch. We're talking about the decisions that can shape our lives, our careers, and our futures. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll be exploring 10 proven strategies to master the art of decision-making. These strategies can help you make informed, balanced, and effective decisions, reducing stress and uncertainty in your life. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or simply someone looking to enhance their decision-making skills, this video is for you. Prepare to delve into these proven strategies that will help you master the art of decision-making. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the importance of decision-making. Picture this. Life is like a vast ocean, and every decision we make is like setting a course through those waters. Our personal and professional lives hinge on the choices we make, steering us closer to our desired destinations or veering us off course. In the professional realm, effective decision-making can mean the difference between success and failure. It affects productivity, efficiency, and overall business growth. From choosing the right business strategy to hiring the right team members, decisions shape the trajectory of our ventures. On a personal level, the decisions we make can profoundly impact our well-being and happiness. Whether it's choosing a healthy lifestyle, picking the right partner, or deciding where to live, our choices mold our personal experiences and ultimately, our life's journey. Mastering decision-making is a key to unlocking greater potential and achieving your goals. Our second point focuses on the power of information. Information is like fuel for our decision-making engine. Just like a car can't run without fuel, we can't make sound decisions without proper information. It's our responsibility to gather as much data as we can to help us make informed decisions. Think about it. Would you invest in a company without doing some research? Or would you buy a house without first checking its condition, location, or market value? Probably not. That's because these decisions have significant impacts on our lives, and we want to ensure we're making the right choice. But it's not just about gathering information. It's also about understanding it. We need to analyze this data, interpret it, and use it to our advantage. This process helps us to see the bigger picture and to predict possible outcomes. Remember, an informed decision is often a correct decision. Harness the power of information to master the art of decision-making. Now, let's turn our attention to the importance of weighing pros and cons. To master the art of decision-making, one cannot overlook the significance of analyzing the potential benefits and drawbacks before finalizing a decision. This process is akin to putting your options on a balance scale, allowing you to see which side tips more favorably. Imagine you're at a crossroads. One path may lead to immediate gratification, while the other might promise long-term benefits. This is where the practice of weighing pros and cons comes into play. It's about assessing the value of immediate versus future gains, the impact of your decision on others, and the potential risks involved. By examining the potential benefits and drawbacks, you're not just making an informed decision, you're crafting a strategy, a plan of action. It's about taking control of the decision rather than letting the decision control you. A well-considered decision considers both the positive and negative outcomes. Our fifth point is about learning from past decisions. The beauty of life is that it's a journey filled with lessons. Every decision we've made, each path we've chosen, has shaped us in one way or another. Many times these decisions have led us to success. Other times they've resulted in failures, but here's the secret. There's no such thing as a bad decision. Sure, some choices may not lead to the outcomes we desired, but each one is a stepping stone, an opportunity to learn, to grow. The key is to look back, not with regret, but with a keen eye for learning. What worked? What didn't? What can be done differently next time? Remember, every decision, every outcome is a teacher in disguise. Embrace them, learn from them. Every decision, whether successful or not, is an opportunity to learn and grow. Moving on, we come to the sixth point, trusting your instincts. Your intuition, that little voice inside you, plays a pivotal role in decision-making. It's like a compass guiding you through the wilderness of options and choices. It's not magic, but a subconscious calculation based on your past experiences, knowledge, and values. Consider a time when your instinct saved you from a potentially bad decision, or when it nudged you towards an opportunity that turned out great. It's a testament to the fact that your gut feeling could be your best guide. Yet it's essential to differentiate between instinct and impulse. Instincts are your internal compass, while impulses are often immediate reactions to external factors. So, the next time you're faced with a decision, pause and listen to your instincts. Your instincts, honed over years of experience, can often guide you to the right decision. So trust in yourself and make that choice with confidence. Our 7th point is about seeking advice. You see, even the most experienced decision makers understand the value of getting a fresh perspective. When faced with a challenging decision, it can be immensely beneficial to seek input from trusted sources. These sources could be mentors, colleagues, or even friends and family who know you well. Think of seeking advice as expanding your decision-making toolkit. It can provide you with new ideas, unique insights, or even just the reassurance that you're on the right track. However, remember to filter this advice through your own lens. After all, no one else knows your specific situation as well as you do. But don't be afraid to lean on others for their wisdom and experience. They can offer a different point of view or highlight aspects you may have overlooked. Remember, 2 heads are often better than 1. The 8th point is about being decisive. In the realm of decision-making, there's a thin line between careful deliberation and crippling overthinking. You see, when we're faced with choices, it's easy to fall into the trap of analysis paralysis, where we're so consumed by every potential outcome that we end up making no decision at all. But here's the thing. Being decisive doesn't mean rushing into decisions without due consideration. Instead, it's about gathering enough information, weighing the pros and cons, and then making a prompt decision. Because the truth is, not all decisions require extensive deliberation. Sometimes, it's more beneficial to make a choice and adjust as you go. After all, in the fast-paced world we live in, time is a precious commodity. By being decisive, you're not only saving time, but you're also boosting your productivity and propelling yourself forward. Being decisive not only saves time, but also leads to better productivity. Our 9th point is about learning to accept mistakes. Let's face it, we're all human, and as such, we're bound to make a wrong turn somewhere along the way. But here's the thing, these missteps are not setbacks, they're stepping stones. They are opportunities for growth and learning. Sure, it can feel disheartening when decisions don't pan out as expected. There may be moments of self-doubt, moments when you question your judgment, but remember, every decision, right or wrong, carries a valuable lesson. Each mistake is a chance to refine your decision-making process, to understand what works and what doesn't. So, instead of harboring regret or wallowing in disappointment, accept your mistakes. Embrace them, learn from them, and move forward. It's through these lessons that we grow, that we improve, that we master the art of decision-making. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you learn from them. Finally, our 10th point is about constant improvement. Now, you might be wondering, why constant improvement? Well, here's the thing. Decision-making isn't a static skill, it's a dynamic one. It's not a one-time thing you master overnight, but rather a lifelong journey of learning and growth. Think of it like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. The more decisions you make, the better you become at making them. So don't shy away from decisions. Embrace them. Learn from them. Grow with them. Remember, every decision you make, whether it's a success or a failure, is an opportunity for you to learn, to improve. It's a stepping stone towards becoming a better decision maker. So don't stop, keep going, keep growing, keep improving. Like any other skill, decision-making can be improved with practice and time. So there you have it, 10 ways to master the art of decision-making. We've journeyed together through the importance of decision-making, the power of information, the art of weighing pros and cons, and the value of learning from past decisions. We've explored the trust in your instincts, the wisdom in seeking advice, and the strength in decisiveness. We've learned to accept mistakes as part of the process and the necessity for constant improvement. Each of these steps is a valuable tool in honing your decision-making prowess. Remember, the art of decision-making can be cultivated, and with these strategies, you are well on your way. So, take these lessons, apply them, and watch as your decision-making skills transform. After all, every decision is a step towards your success. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content. Here's to making better decisions.